Hello friends, good evening. How are you? I hope you are doing good. Enjoying the videos, gaining the knowledge. So welcome to my YouTube channel Astro Karma. I have changed so many names of this channel and then I got satisfied with this name Astro Karma. Karma you got from the past life, from the past lives, right? So in this life if you help someone, your karma got sorted out. It doesn't matter that you are helping someone with money, with knowledge, with sympathy. If you are a human, it's a duty of the human to help others if you can. Anyhow, it doesn't matter with money, right? So, this karma was assigned to me. I was a businessman, but suddenly when I go to Canada, my business ruined, closed. And the God put me into the astrology. I have gone to so many astrologers, but at the last, I think I should do this. It's the will of the God. So today the topic we are going to cover is some useful tips for you so that you can spend your life smoothly. These rules are given in books. What should you do on which day? Even in India, our ancestors, our elders, forefathers try to give us these rules in a very simple way. You should not do this, you should not do this day, that day, this day. There are 7 days only, right? In 7 days. And every and each activity you have to do in these 7 days. You cannot go to out of it. So what should you do in 7 days that you can enjoy your life? And the things or the task done by you gives you success in your life. And you can spend a very happy life. If you follow this, I am sure that you will feel a difference in your life. The difference can be on your faith. How much you faith, how much you follow these tips, right? And let me know when you feel difference. Am I wrong or am I right? So this give me a boost. If I am wrong, I have to think it again. Why? Where I am wrong? If I am right, then it give me boost so that I can give you more knowledge, right? So let us start our video. You don't want to delay it. So 7 days, we will start it from Sunday, right? Most of the people in India or in foreign, they have Sunday, the fixed holiday. What they do rest at home. Some other things they do. But what should you do for sure that you can get gain from that thing, that item, which that is the thing I am going to tell you. Sunday is a day when you want to do something new in your life. Something, it's gain, it's sadhana, penance, right? Anything which can give you peace mentally peace. You can start it on Sunday. Mantra jap, puja, right? Mantra jap, especially, not the puja. Mantra jap. On Sunday, you should avoid to go to any religious place. But the people in the foreign lands go to the church or other way on Sunday because they get a time on that day only. So what should you do when you have to reach to any religious place on Sunday? Try to do it in the evening when the sun is set, right? Then you should do that. You should bought your grocery on Sunday. Why? Because sun is the significator of your stomach, vitality, your digestion. When you purchase grocery on Sunday, that grocery will give you healthy life, and you can enjoy that food also. So do these 2-3 things on Sunday only, right? On Monday, On Monday, what you should do? You should do any kind of business deal, any kind of task related to documents. Do on Monday. Why on Monday? Because if you know which is the fastest planet, that is the moon. The business deal done on this day will give you fruitful results very quickly. If you apply for any document certificate to a government certificate, you can do it on Monday. The procedure will be done quickly. Sorry, my English is not so good and I am not so educated, but still I just want to convey my message in a very short manner or in a very un uh, unauthorized English. Sorry. So Monday, you should not go to any religious place, travel to any religious place on Monday. You may get obstacles in your way on Monday. It may happen that you have gone to any religious place, you will find something, some kind of crowd over there, right? Or you reach so early that you don't have time. Early means you reach so early, but the religious place is going to open later. So some kind of issue there when you travel for a religious place, right? Do not yes, anything government related documents submit on Sunday. Travel on Sunday, short travel for business travel, because these days what the people who are doing job, they are getting the targets. When you start in doing on Sunday, especially in the hora of moon, give you better results. On Tuesday, Tuesday, do not go for any business meeting. Do not take loans on Tuesday. Because when you take loan on Tuesday, you will not be able to refund it in a very good manner. There may be some kind of obstacles. When the time of installment will come, you may have some kind of scarcity. You don't have money, but because you can spend it somewhere else. But what you can do, you can repay your loan on Tuesday. If you have taken loan, and in today's era, I think everyone has some kind of loan on his head, including me and including you. Someone in your family may be under some kind of debt. So this is the day, Tuesday, when you have to pay the debt back. Don't take the debt on Tuesday, right? You can purchase land for your house or your profession this day. As in the book of J.N. Basin, it is written over there, every atom you purchase on Monday or purchase on Tuesday will end in the form of fire. There is something which can be related to fire may happen to that thing which you have purchased on Tuesday, right? So don't try to buy anything on Tuesday. Wednesday. On Wednesday, you should avoid doing dealing in land to purchase land. Do not purchase land on Wednesday. What you can do, you can purchase clothes, medicine, liquid medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, homeopathic medicines. You should buy it on Wednesday, right? You can also buy consumable grocery items on Wednesday, right? But do not do any deal regarding your profession on Wednesday. If you have to travel for a business meeting, think before it, or you can postpone it to some other day. Monday is the best day, because when you go do for a meeting on this day, it may got delayed, or you got the not that result which you are expecting from that meeting. So avoid doing business meeting, documents related which are documents which are related to your profession. Do not deal with these things on Wednesday, right? Wednesday. And now the Thursday. On Thursday, what should you do? You should not buy grocery, because this day when you buy grocery, you may not be able to consume it. You may go for a long travel, and the grocery purchased by you kept in home, and it may got spoiled when you come back, or something other can happen to this, right? But you can do business deal, long-term business deals on this day, business meeting on this day. It will give you good result for the long-term plan. If you have a long-term business plan, go and put your efforts on Thursday for your business plans, right? Thursday is a very good day for these things. But uh, if you have to deal with the government, do not get any appointment on Thursday. You maybe get fined, or some other kind of issue may be there. Friday. On Friday, what you can do? Do not fill your tank, car tank, vehicle tank on Friday. It will consume very quickly. The average of your vehicle may be some kind of issue with that average. If you have average of 15, when you put oil in your vehicle on Friday, the average may be come down to 12, 13, 11, right? What you can do? You can purchase clothes on these days. Friday, clothes. Clothes will give you good result, right? Do not get married on this day. If you are a woman, do not fall into a relationship. If you are a woman, do not fall into a relationship on Friday, because Friday is the day of, what you can say, my English is so weak, I cannot. Entertainment. Venus is the karaka of entertainment. But when you put in a relationship on this day, you may have a breakup later on. So do not do this kind of things on Friday. You can purchase perfumes, you can purchase clothes, right? You can go for a leisure trip with your family on this day, but not with your boyfriend. There may be fight between you if you go on Friday, if you start it on Friday, your relationship. So postpone it to any other day. It will give you good result. Then it comes the Saturday. So what should you do on Saturday? You can have a religious travel on Saturday, will give you good results. If you want to have some kind of religious ceremony, do it on Saturday. gives you good results. Do not go for any business deal on Saturday. Do not purchase grocery on Saturday. The groceries will be remain at your home and you will not be able to consume that grocery if you have purchased it on Saturday. Right? Because why? Because Saturn is the significator of delay. Shana, shana. So the things done on this day, except the religious ceremony. Why do you do religious ceremony? Just for a long-term blessings from the God, from your ancestor. Long-term blessings. And this blessing will remain in your life for a long time because it is done on Saturday. But if you purchase grocery on Saturday, it can create a problem in your health on Saturday. You will not be able to consume that grocery. If you go for any business meeting, delay can happen. If you apply for a certificate, document related to visa, can go for a delay. And you are waiting at your home that it has to come today. It got delayed. Do not do that. You want to do sadhana, penance, going to penance, Saturday is the day. You can start your penance. Gives you good results for a long-term goal. Saturday. So this was my video on the useful tips for you for your daily life. And if you follow these tips, you will definitely find a difference in your situation, your condition of your house, financially, healthily or wealthily, both way. Many kind of problems maybe go away from your life. You don't have to do any kind of remedy if you follow only these tips. These tips are given in books, also given by our ancestors. And I hope you like this video. I feel sorry for the delay speaking ability because I don't get the word in my mind how to speak. Right? Please, you have to cooperate me if you want to work with me for a long journey in this channel. You have to cooperate with me. Otherwise, you may get bored of me. Anyway, so see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a very good day. God bless you all. If you like the video, press the like button and share it with others. Thank you so much.